Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create story type of video using AI. If I going on YouTube, then here are type Elon Musk's journey from zero to billionaire. So this is my title. I want to create those type of video using AI. You can see this is a video Elon Musk zero to visionary. And if I scroll down at this video, and this video, and in a type of lots of video available here on YouTube. If you scroll and search another type, how is called how Elon Musk are billionaire, how Elon Musk are most successful people in the world, you can type in type of content. You got lots of video on YouTube. Actually, I'm going to show you how to exactly create this type of video using AI. So it's absolutely free for joining. First, I'm going on Pictory AI. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to log in with Gmail. So once you have done it, you need to click on text to video. So I click here. You can see this is start typing here. So I'm going on ChatGPT. Then I command you ChatGPT. If you don't know what is ChatGPT AI tool, you can write and use anything and everything purpose ChatGPT. Except purpose I did right here. First I want to make story video using AI for YouTube. Now give me idea. ChatGPT give me 5 6 7 idea for exclusively for me. Then I command you for write a script with number 1 Elon Musk's journey. So best script for inspirational success story video. So here are the script. So I copy this script, then paste on a notepad. Then just this is a script. This script write for me ChatGPT. Just copy this one. Then again go on Pictory.ai. Just paste here. Then wow, this is okay. So you can see it's already saving and processing right now. So I need to wait a few seconds. So I type here. So example purpose, this is my video title. You can write anything here. Just click on processed. Now this AI tool give me and create a video only for you, and it's exclusively for me. Then you can see it's 33% are completed right now. So I'm waiting few seconds. Once you have done it, you can see this is my video preview. If I scroll down, this is a video script, and this is a landscape and portrait and square. If you can create 3 type of video from here. Number 1, landscape. Number 2, portrait. It's for TikTok, Reels and short. Then number 3, square for Instagram post. So I select landscape. It's for YouTube. So if I preview since here, just click on here. Then okay, that's good. Now I want to add a voiceover right now. So just click on this icon. If you have your own voice and a file already have a voice, you can apply and upload here. This is be easy. You can see this is upload voiceover. You can upload your own voice here. So you can see as second option, record voiceover. You can record voiceover now. Then I want to apply AI voiceover. This is very easy for me. Drag and drop. You can see here are lots of premium and free voiceover available right now. So I just this voiceover I just click here, applied. It's already working and the backhand on my video. If I click on setting, you can recorrection any photo, any music and voiceover. You can doing everything. So this is a hide text. If I click on here, and this subtitle will be removed. So I want to add this subtitle because this is very eye-catchy. Then lots of the people don't know the original language. If you create another language like French, Japan, and Hindi, and any others, and you can create subtitle on English. This is a very a popular option right now on YouTube. So okay, then once you have done everything and everything are good, this video ready for download, just click on download button. Then it's already preparing right now for me, so I need a few seconds. I will back soon. Okay, again click on the download button. It's already working right now. You can see this is a download start right now. So
Elon Musk's journey from zero to billionaire visionary. Have you ever dreamed of changing the world? Meet the man who went from sleeping in his office to building rockets that touch the stars, Elon Musk. This is his incredible journey. Elon Reeve Musk was born in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. A quiet boy with a love for science fiction, Elon often escaped into his imagination. At just 12 years old, he created a video game and sold it for $500. But this was just the beginning. Scene 2. Early struggles. 50 seconds visuals. Images of Elon arriving in Canada.
you can see these videos are wonderful and it's ready for upload on YouTube and any other social media like Facebook and any others. So if you have any questions, please comment below, and if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Bye.